So I'm gonna try to upload these kind of vlog thing. My instructional videos take a lot more time to make, so there'll be a little bit before I get some more out there with school and everything. But as you can see, I got the engine out of the Z. I might put a little video of that up. But while it was out, I was going to go ahead and try to tuck the wiring harness and get it all sorted out, so it's easy to go back in and I don't have to worry about, you know, will this reach, if, you know, just get it all sorted out outside the car, so going back in is easier. So what I'm going to start out with is just turn my light on. Not really making a difference, but you can see I also have a heater core leak, so that's going to be sorted out as well. I have this screw here, this here. I believe there's another one under there, and then I think there might be one there, but we'll find out. And then we're going to pull this panel off and probably get this one off too. This bit is easy to come off. And then we're going to remove this and get the glove box out of here, so I can get a better view of how the harness goes in there. So it looks like, if I can get my light down there, there's another fastener down there. So what I'm going to do is try to remove this stopper on the glove box and let it pivot down and see if that's enough room to get a ratchet in there on that fastener. So, as you can see, I successfully dumped everything in my glove box. By the way, everyone is always asking what my settings are in VR. These are my current settings. I don't probably have it on this all the time, or is this present in the setting you're wanting, but was that 0 on the gain, 5 on the rev, and 8 on that rev? So that's usually what it's at. So how I got these down was, you can see right here, it's got these stoppers here. You can see a little bit of marring on the plastic from prying on it, but you just pry this away from the stopper right there. Same on that side, and it'll just fall down. But with the glove box done, you can easily see what we need to remove. It's going to be that bolt there, that bolt which I've already removed, this bolt up top here. I don't think we have to remove that one on the bottom, but that one up top, and then down where it hinges, there's 2 studs. I can't even get a light down here, but right, I turn my light on. Right there, there's one, and there's another one right there. So I ended up, you can see this whole bracket right here in my pile of a car. I removed that whole glove box bracket. Actually ended up being a lot easier than I thought. It was just the 2 studs on the bottom and getting it popped out of the sides there. But the bracket is held in with a few fasteners, quite a few actually, surprising amount I'd say. And then it just comes right out. Next I'm going to removing this duct. It's going to be this 10. And I know for sure the clip right here, but that 10, and that should be it. And to remove this clip, by the way, you just get like a Phillips or something and push it in the center, and then it releases. So now you can see the duct is out of the way. So as you can see, I've removed the blower motor, removed the blower motor resistor. And next, what I'm going to do is just try to pop the clips off of this housing for the evaporator down here as well, and to see if this will pop off here. I don't think it will. Yeah, there's a clip back here too. There's a lot of clips that are going to be really hard to get to. So I don't think it will, but I'm just trying to get some stuff out of the way here. It actually looks like it goes all the way around this thing. Yeah, you can see clips there, there, all the way around. So maybe the best way is just to get some of the bolts that are up there holding that on. God, this thing won't focus. Get some of the bolts that are up there, right there. I don't know, we'll see. pretty sure I have most things inside disconnected, and we'll just see, but I'm gonna go ahead and loosen these off and remove this stud that's holding it in there. So, after not really seeing a good way to remove this, and you guys can call me stupid in the comments or whatever, I need to replace the heater core anyway, as I think I already said. You can see the leak marks there. You can see the residual stuff, and you can even see the heater core back there. So I need to replace that anyway, and you can fight with it without removing the dash, but at this point I think I'm going to remove the dash. As you can see already, I popped this panel up. That was scary because those have a tendency to break from sitting in the sun and drying out, and they don't like to come up without breaking. So I'm actually surprised I got that far. So I think I'm gonna remove the dash. This may become a Z32 how to remove the dash video. So yeah. So at this point, it honestly makes the most sense to pull out the dash, since I have to replace not only, I'm not gonna replace the harness, but since I have to have it out, and I also have to replace the heater core, there's just so much stuff in the way that it just doesn't make sense to fight around it rather than just remove the dash. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at. I'm at that. You can see I went and pulled the radio out. I didn't talk about removing that, but I went and pulled it out. Most people should know how to remove that. Next is going to be stuff on that side, and it's just finding time to do it again because I got school, like I said. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think.